We're only a few days away from the official launch of Nvidia's GeForce RTX 4070 graphics card, and it's no surprise that the internet is flooding with pictures of the yet-to-be-announced add-in boards. Images of GeForce RTX 4070 graphics cards by Gigabyte, Palit, MSI, and Zotac give us a glimpse at what this new graphics card will offer. We already know that these AIBs carry a cut-down AD104 graphics processor with 5888 CUDA cores and 12 GB of GDDR6X memory. Gigabyte has 4 GeForce RTX 4070 graphics card designs, with 2 shipping with 8-pin auxiliary PCIe power connectors and 2 featuring 12 VHPWR 16-pin connectors. All 4 models are triple-wide with 3 fans. MSI's GeForce RTX 4070 Ventus 2X is a dual-fan 2-wide cooling system, making it a great option for PCs with limited space. Zotac and Palit also have dual-fan designs. For those interested in the technical side of matters, let's examine the Nvidia RTX 40 series specifications. The GeForce RTX 4090 features an AD102 GPU with 18,176 FP32 CUDA cores, 24 GB of GDDR6X memory, and a 600 watts TBP. The GeForce RTX 4090 has an AD102 GPU with 16,384 FP32 CUDA cores, 24 GB of GDDR6X, and a TBP of 450 watts. The GeForce RTX 4080 has an AD1039 GPU with 9,728 FP32 CUDA cores, 16 GB of GDDR6X, and a TBP of 320 watts. The GeForce RTX 4070 Ti offers an AD1047 GPU with 7,680 FP32 CUDA cores, 12 GB of GDDR6X, and a TBP of 285 watts. The GeForce RTX 4070 has an AD1045 GPU with 5,888 FP32 CUDA cores, 12 GB of GDDR6X, and a TBP of 250 watts. Lastly, the GeForce RTX 4060 Ti features an AD1064 GPU with 4,352 FP32 CUDA cores, 8 GB of GDDR6X, and a TBP of 160 watts. Several of these graphics cards are expected to cost below $500 as well. With incredible specs and attractive price points, these cards will no doubt revolutionize the gaming industry. The official launch of the GeForce RTX 4070 graphics card is a few days away, and we can't wait to see what this new GPU brings to the table. Stay tuned for more updates.